Live. Good morning, everybody. Hit the like button as you're coming in. Let's load up this chart. Hey, hey, hey. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hey, 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 hey. Morning, everybody. Good morning. About to navigate this market. Hit the like button. Hit, hit the like, hit the like, hit the like, hit the like. Hit the like, so we can drive the traffic. Okay, these things taking. Hold on, let me see something. Woo! Mm, 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 mm. I'll have to get me a new PC eventually because it looks like my computer cannot. Let me see. OBS is running fine. OBS is running fine. Test, 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 test. Yeah. E. Mm, 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 mm. E. Google is pumping. I got some yesterday on my personal Webull account. I bought some yesterday around 148 65. Google is pumping back up. Google, Google. Google is pumping. 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 Pumping. Google is pumping. Google is pumping. You hear me? Google is pumping in the pre-market. Google is pumping in the pre-market. Let me see. It's up by not Google. Because there's two tickers for Google. Google is pumping in the pre-market. It's up. It's up. Wait, hold on. So I'm up 4% on my position. Google's up 2.5% in the pre-market right now. Let's see what's going on. What's going on? Oh, I missed the short, yo. I missed the short. I missed the short. I missed the short. I missed the short. I, I missed the short. I, I missed the short. Uh, I missed the short. Uh, I missed the, sh- uh, uh, I missed the short. I didn't, wasn't, oh man, let me stop. Mhm.
Yeah. You want your kid, you know? If I can help it, I don't want to go. I'll do y'all can do.
Oh, let me see. Hold on, guys.
You know what I mean?
Or did I miss? Oh, I didn't miss anything. I did not miss anything. Well, I took a quick trade this morning. I took a long right here. Well, first I took a short and it bounced, and I took a long. I got that little spread right here. I was trading it small. We are green on the day. I'm trying to do analysis right here. Okay, we had the 3 minute 200 period. All right, we're going down. Oh, it must be new. Did the news came out at 8:30? Oh, look at that bounce though. Boom, boom, bam, bam, bam. Peekaboo. Try a long right here.
Order submitted.
Trend is long. It's uptrend right here. I'm gonna try a long right here. Trading small. I'll probably build along all the way to the 200. Look at there's some buyers here.
Order filled. We got 5 minute on this candle. 5 minute on this candle. Let's see what's going on here. testing this area right here and see. Mm, 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 mm. Looks like we got some type of movement in the pre-market this morning. Let's see. Should I wait for the next 15 minutes? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Mm, 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 mm. Got another one.
Order submitted.
A little bit more push down so I can add another one.
Order submitted.
Another one down there. So if it pops back up, starting to see some profit. Mm, 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 mm. So I'm on my stop now. 'Cause it's moving up. I didn't get to add a second contract.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
I was trying to add a more contract, but I didn't get to. So hey, 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 hey. Try a little bit more aggressive. I'm gonna close it right here because it's like it's having trouble. Let me see. Like it's having trouble. But a trade like that, let's see. Do we have more room to the upside? Let's see. Looks like we may have more room to the upside. So then move my profit up. Yes, look like we have more room to the upside.
You're not asking the right question.
I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna close it. Mm, 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 mm.
Target filled.
That was a beautiful trade, but I wish I had took it on a big lot. Let's see. Yeah, of $25. See that if that was in a big lot, that would have been way more. Well, it's pre-market. I was trying to, manage my risk. So that was a 15-minute candle. Bought the dip right here, and then I sold right there. Bought the dip right here, and I sold right there. I'm trying to get more contract on, but they never give me more contract. I was trying to at least have 3 contract, but it never filled the other 2 contracts. So I only had 1 contract on. Okay, now we'll just wait for another one, another opportunity. At least we got some type of movement in the pre-market this morning. Lately, pre-market been dead. Now we wait for another opportunity. Mm-mm-mm. See, that was a clean move, and like, let me see, that was a clean move in like one, two, three, four, in like 10 minutes. So that was a clean move in like 10 minutes. Well, Google was pumping up this morning. I bought some yesterday when I was at the gym on my live personal Webull account, and I sold some in the pre-market this morning. It's still pumping. Google. Mhm. Everything is green this morning. Maybe the Fed did not cut rate, but based the way he was talking, it seems like he should have cut rate. So that's probably why the market is kind of pumping. He didn't say anything. He didn't say anything hawkish. Right. So far with green, the day is green. The market is up. Started trading small. If I see a better opportunity, I'll probably switch big. But I start small just to get a feel of the market. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. 4 minutes till 9 o'clock. Yeah, so you get some liquidity in the market. Waiting for another opportunity. Oh, it looks like a double top on the right here, right here. Maybe I should play it in the short side. Let's see. Or have the short at top. Got a rejection here. You got it the same. So this must be resistance in this area. You know what? I'm gonna stop. Let me see. Let me see. Probably start building a short. Wait, let me wait till another pop to the top side. I could open in 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna. I don't want to do it big lots. I'm gonna do it small, so I can build a short position. But there's some. Look at there's some resistance, and it's the high of the day. And one right here,
Order submitted.
like a bear flag. One right here.
Order submitted.
Start building a position.
Order filled.
All right, so I'm in. Start building a short position. See. I'm doing it right here.
Order submitted.
Yeah. I hope it don't. I hope it don't go down week one when I have one contract on. I want to put more contract on. I'm gonna probably shorts every pop, but right now I'm in the profit with one contract. I'm gonna put more contract on. We got movement in the pre-market this morning. This is kind of nice. Market always goes your way when you have a little bit of contract on. See, right now, I want to build a position as it going up, but it's not going up yet. Only got one contract on. Basically, what I'm building a short position is oh man, it's coming down already. I want more contract on. Yeah, I'm building a short position because let me see. The trend was up. As you can see on the 15 minute, the trend was up, 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 up. And we test the 20 moving average, it went up more, and then we found a resistance. But now see the 20 moving EMA identified the trend. See now it
How are you
broke it.
taking orders in pre-market?
It's the same way.
Market? Market order?
No, not market.
Limit?
Yeah. Yeah, you can't take market. It's not open. I selling off already. Well, I only got one contract on. I want more contract. Wow. I believe we might have some type of pullback at the open. That's why I'm going short now. But now it's already going down. I only got one contract on. Oh yeah, I was going. I'm building a short because the trend was up on the 15 minute. You can see, but now it broke the trend because all these candles are closed below the 20 moving period average, and then that first green one right here got rejected, and this one's getting rejected again. So now we don't know how low is gonna go, but because we still green on the day, so I'm not looking for a big trade. I just because if what goes up must come down. So if it goes up, you have to get a pullback. That's why I'm playing that strategy. See the 1 minute, yeah, the 1 minute was below the 200. See, it's selling off already. The 3 minute we at the 200, but it broke it before, so it's gonna test it again. So let me see what I would do here. 'Cause I don't know how far it's gonna pull back. Yeah, see, it's pulling back now. It's pulling back, so I'll probably move my stop. Let me see if I have a good spot. I can put my stop. And on the 5 minute, this is like a bull. It's like a bear flag. Now the question is, how low would it go? We don't know. I move my stop right here, so I don't. Yeah, I move my stop right here. So now, even if I get stopped top, I'm gonna be in the green. I'm gonna cancel those other two contracts because I didn't
Order
get the fill.
canceled.
Yeah, selling off. I only got one contract on. Only if trading was this easy every day. Right. Nice perfect entry right there. Sold right there. Nice perfect entry right there, right on the tick. Now sold it off. But hey, when the easy day comes, you gotta take them. All right, we testing the 200 again on the 3 minute. Let's see. Let's see if we get a move down. All right, we coming down. We are coming down. Look like we're bouncing here again. So we're gonna do the Wait. Hmm? Wait.
Yeah, boy. I got a good I do it. So partner.
Free market too confusing. We are bouncing. It looks like a higher low. A higher low. I don't know. Let's see. My stops in the green, so let's see if it continue to come down or if it's gonna stop me out. I'm just sitting in this trade. Let's see. Mm, 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 mm. Let's see. Let's see. See if you stopped out or it continue to go lower. Mm, mm. Looks like let's see. Oh, we didn't get stopped out. Let's see. It's 200. The 200 and the 3 minute is kind of it bounced there earlier. We get jet right here and bounce there again with a higher low. Okay. All right. We stopped
Stop
out.
filled.
Stopped out. 33. Yeah. So the buyers is still there. That was a higher. That was a higher low. So it's not coming off yet. Oh, that wasn't a bad trade. I got a short right there and I covered right there. So it's free market. So it probably ain't no sellers in the free market. That was a good little couple points. All right. Mm, 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 mm. I need a big pop so I can short the top. But hey, market open up in 7 minutes. Let's see what's going on in the stock market. The stock market is Google is still up. Google L is still up. Well, it's down a little bit. It was up 2.5%, so it's a little bit over 2% in the pre-market. Tesla's up in the pre-market. Apple is up almost 1% in the pre-market. AMD is up 1%. Man, Roblox is $70. Wow, Roblox is pumping. Amazon is up. Nvidia is up. So everything is green, basically in the pre-market. So that's why I think when the market open, we might get a pullback. That's what I'm looking for. I might have maybe we get a pop, right open, right short. If we get a dump, pullback, I'll probably look into buy. I would say, let me see. If I'm buying, what would I buy? If I buy, I would buy probably buy in this zone. Be in this zone right here, I would buy anything or anything because there's a resistance at the on the top. So anything above, anything in this area probably was short. So concept is to buy low, sell high, buy low. Ready sell off. Wait for buyers to buy. Any pop. And that's the thing. That's the main thing you need. You need. I think the main thing you need about trading is buy low, sell high, and then and market structure. So you look at the structure of the market and see to identify the trend. So you gotta basically start from the day. Overall, on a daily, we looks like we trying to reverse. It was its overall pictures a downtrend, but it looks like it's trying to reverse. We still got this area right here. We would have to break and to create an uptrend in the 200. We're below the 200 on a daily. So Gotta remember that. The weekly, weekly is red. It's a red candle. That's the bulls are buying, are pushing the price back up. So we test the bottom, or we will the weekly turn green. I mean, we got 1 day left in the week, so that's all the stuff you got to be careful about. So the market structure, and then buy low and sell high. Mm-mm. 2 minute market open. 2 minute market open in 2 minutes. Let's see. Those trade I took in the pre market, if I had took them, market been funny lately, so that's why I've sized down. If I took if I took those trades this morning in the pre market with mini, I would have been done by now. But I took a micro because testing the market, because the market been funny. Yeah. So that $33 could have been $300 if I was trading mini, and I would have called it a day if I was trading. But market been funny, so and this is my funded account, so I'm taking it lightly. I have a 50K with Apex. That's evaluation is almost passed. I just need $900 to pass 50K account, but I'm just not gonna trade it yet. I'm not in a rush to pass it. All right, market about to open. Oh, market open is pushing. Let's see what happened. Let's, let's see what happened. I'm looking for pop.
Oh
Let's see.
my god!
What you got?
No, it wasn't. It was only $1, but because I started using stops and like making the thing buy for me.
Uh huh.
So I'm waiting for it to hit my target, and the stock just shot up, and I was going short. The heck? And then it shot back down, and shot back up, then it shot back down,
Oh
and it
yeah.
barely touched my target, and it took me out in profit.
Wow. Yeah, that's what I do at the open. The open can be violent. It can shoot both directions. Oh, we're pushing up right now. We're pushing up. Let me see. Let me see how we're looking in an hour. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go short.
Short,
Yeah, I
yeah.
think I'm gonna go short. Go short.
Order submitted.
I don't want to short too early, but it's not. Man, it's not. Man, see, it didn't give me the price I was looking for. Hate when it does that, yo. Man, I'm gonna short right here.
Order filled.
I'm short again. I'm short again.
Order filled.
I'm gonna put one buy right here.
Order
Take some
submitted.
profit. Come on, come on. Called it this morning, but it just didn't give me the price I was looking for.
Order.
I took some
Order
profit.
canceled.
Took some profit right here. All right. Oh man, I should have took it in the big lot. Oh, let me close it right there. I'm gonna close it right there. Let me close it right there. I'm gonna close it right there. I'm gonna close it. Let me take a profit right there. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. It didn't fill me. It didn't fill my order. Wait, hold on, hold on. Let me see. Uh, Oh, it's pushing lower. It's pushing lower. Let me move my target down lower. It's pushing lower. I'm gonna put my stop right there. Oh, let me see. Hold up. 5 minute. All right. Oh, yeah. Let me see. Let me cover right here. I'm gonna stop using the profit. Is it gonna stop me out?
Order canceled.
Stop me out in the profit. Yeah, I don't like how it's moving. About 45. I don't like how it's moving. It's not breaking down. It's not clean. See. It's tricky right here. Yeah, it's not selling off. It paused right there. You know what? I'm gonna go long right quick. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Because this day is still green, so it's probably not selling off. Maybe that's just the pullback we're getting right here. Let me see. Hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. You know what? I'm gonna try a long from this low of this 15. Let's see. Wait, hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me wait for some more confirmation. Yeah, it's probably gonna go lower. Hold on, let me see. Oh, okay, I see, I see, I see. All right. I'm gonna try along from the pivot point right here. I'm gonna try along from the pivot point.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna buy one right here.
Order filled. Order submitted.
See, I feel that second order. Come on, feel it, feel it, feel it, feel the second order.
Order
All
filled.
right, we put sell order right there.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Mm. I really want to buy over here. I could be early, but let's see. Let's see how it plays. Let's see how it plays. Because we got all the way till here to buy. Mm-mm. Hey, 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 hey. Hit the like button, people. Let's see. I'm long right now. I'm in the. Let me see. I'm trying to build along here. 15 minute candle gap. 5 more minutes. Yeah, I'm trying this pivot point to see if we bounce right there. I mean, if it bounce, we'll take the profit. If it don't bounce, we'll start building that long. Or look like it's bouncing. So just be patient. So I'm small sizing right now. And if I see a great opportunity, then I might go big lots. I might go big size. I'm just waiting. Probably scalp with the big lots based on how the market is moving. Well, to build a position, I'm gonna build it on a micro. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, we bouncing. Oh, there's some buyers right here. That was aggressive bounce. That was an aggressive bounce. Oh, that was an aggressive bounce. Okay. So you can't trust it yet because the market is very tricky. The market got always 10 steps ahead of us. So the only thing we can do is control our risks, manage our risks, and see what the market does. Right now, let me see. It's bouncing, pushing back down. So it's like it's got to be what you got to let it work. Well, the short did work this morning. The idea we have for this morning, it did work. I just wanted to short. I wanted to go higher to short, but still got some points in the short. But now, let's see how low is gonna go, where the bull is gonna step in. Right. Probably add another contract down here. Let me see. We got 2 minutes. We got 2 minutes for the 15-minute candle to close. Hey, hold on, hold on. You know, let me see. Let me look at the. It's still bouncing. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put my next contract right here.
Order submitted.
Oh, we bouncing. See, the thing is, you can't tell the future. You can't tell what the market's gonna do. If everybody know what the market was gonna do, I would have put four contract, meaning if I know exactly where it's gonna go. You just gotta take an educated guess and control your risk. Let's see here. It's bouncing. We'll add more contract, but I want it a little bit lower to add more contract. You can't just add. You gotta add at some right positions, some right levels. You gotta, but it's not giving me the lower price that I'm looking for. But I'm gonna put a contract right here at the low of the hour. Put a contract right here.
Order submitted.
Just wait, cause I don't want to add too much contract too early. All right, 15 minutes. First 15 minutes is gonna be is close. Let's see what the next 15 does. Is it gonna follow through lower or is it gonna go back up? Let's see. You know what? Let me go to the big lots. If we pop back up from here, I'll probably take a scalp. Let's see. We're not the Bulls not here yet. Bulls are still sleeping. Let me see. I made a fail. Wait, let me see. I don't see the bullish sign yet, so I'm not gonna scalp.
Order filled.
Yeah, so I'm not gonna scalp. Oh wait, is it? I don't see no bullish reaction yet. I don't see no bulls. Let me go back to the. Yeah, I don't see no bulls yet. I don't see the bulls yet. Mm-mm-mm. Especially the market haven't been volatile like it used to be. Like Before you see all these 5 minute candles are red, 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 red. Before it used to be red, green, red, green. Like it used to be volatile, so you can be in and out. It was like a. It was easy to get in and out. But now, usually the market they go push down, 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 and push up, up, up. Like it's just so you got to be very surgical as you building a position. So right now, if it goes green, I'm gonna take some off, even though I'm trying to buy down here. I just wait. I just wait. Let's see what's going on in the market. Hmm. Apple is green. AMD is green. AMD is up 3%, 3.5%. Tesla's green. Mm, 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 mm. This is the area I really want to buy. These area right here. But you know the thing is, this morning we went short. We was right on the short, but it hesitates so much right there, and it trick you out of the trade. But now for it to just continue now, it is the market is very tricky. So that's why I like to build my position slowly. If I see a good, if I oh the bulls are coming back. Wait, wait. If I see a big momentum to the upside, then I'll probably scalp on the mini. Mm, 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 mm. I'm gonna put another order right here.
Order submitted.
Just wait. Just wait.
Order filled.
Mm, 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 mm. On daily, we still green. Oh, we about to go in. Wait, I think we're going in profit.
Down, down.
See, let's see something here. All right, looks like we're bouncing here.
Tyler, look at the comments.
Look at the comment.
Cannot see her.
Oh, we about to
Bro, forgot.
we about to go green. We about to go green on the day. Let's see. Let's see.
You got 1,000 something. Wait, gaming? You reacted and stuff. You hear me? You reacted and stuff. You almost got 1,000 subs.
That's what's up.
We're gonna get monetized. Good. Oh,
Oh yeah, we about to go green. Let's see. We just need the we just need the bull to start pushing. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Just gotta be patient. We got 5 contract long at 20. All right, we going green right now. So I'll probably
it's short.
let's see. All right, we green now. We oh okay, we moving. We're moving. Let me take some. I'm gonna start taking some contract off. Let me take one off right here. Take one off right here. All right, got one
Order
contract
canceled.
off. So now this is where I took my first. That's not really the profit. Just take some of the risk off. Now let me see. Let me put another. Let me see where we at.
Bruh.
Put another one right here.
This miles was good.
Order submitted.
But like, I put my money at like I don't even know how much. I just put as many zeros as I can, and then I bought like what's the how much that is?
One bull. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it.
I bought 1,000,000 shares as a cheap stock, and then I made 2,000, and then I just lost 5,000.
Wait.
I'm resetting again.
Oh,
Order
okay. All
canceled.
right. We got a
Shortest.
second
All right,
target,
going
second
good.
order fill. So now
You doing good?
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
$2 in a profit, but this trade not looking good. Wow.
Hold
He's just
on.
stuck. We just set it stop loss. This doesn't go too far back.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, it's pushing up. Pushing up. Push. Push. Come on. Come on. Come on. I don't want to close it yet, but let me just take another. Let me just put another order here. I don't want to close it, but it's having trouble in this area.
I want this shit. I want this
Yeah,
shit
it's
to
definitely having
stop.
trouble in this area.
Oh no. Like, why won't this just go below? Like, come on.
Not give me a spot for my stop loss. Let me see. I mean, I took two contract off. That was kind of good.
Oh, it's going up. I need you to
Let
go
me just wait a little
down.
bit more.
Yes, 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 yes. Come on.
Come on.
Just show me just like some profit, bro.
All right, pushing back up. It's not giving me a spot, and 10 o'clock is coming.
And 10 o'clock is gonna give me this.
10 o'clock is coming. It's
This
not giving me a.
red.
It's not giving me a. It's not giving.
Let's
Let's
see what
see.
happens.
Yeah, I'm gonna just hold it. I'm gonna just hold it.
Let's see what happens.
Are we going to the gym?
Probably later.
3, 5, 4, 3. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, okay, okay.
Wow.
It literally just skyrocketed up.
And you was going short?
Yes.
Wow. Actually locking with a specific amount. Play on $1 trillion.
It's coming back.
Let's
It's coming
see.
back. Oh, oh. That scared me for. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa,
Alright.
whoa.
I'm never
10,
resetting again.
10 o'clock.
Bro, why is this being. Why is it on it?
I'm actually locking in with this now.
Oh, well, we're moving up. Let's see.
Wait, do I. Should
Is
I
10
take
o'clock gonna
this?
be good to us? Oh, looks like 10 o'clock gonna be good to us, people.
I'm gonna get rid of that.
Let's see what we're doing. Let's see what we're doing.
I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna get rid of that.
Well, let's see
That's-
what we're
I'm
doing.
gonna get rid of that because that was gonna be bad for me. I only lost $4 on that.
All right, it's pushing up. It's pushing up. All right, I'm gonna
was about
start
to be
taking
bad.
some profit.
I was about to be bad.
Yeah, there you go. That's what I like to see. Let me take another
Alright,
profit right
give me
here.
like a short here.
Take another profit. Put a sell order right here.
Yeah,
It looks like we're having trouble in this area right here. Let me
Order
see.
submitted.
It's okay. It's okay.
I want to trail it, but I'm gonna trail it after this profit. After this contract come off. That'll be an indicator that we're going to the upside. But the 205 minutes is kind of holding us down. All right, there
Order
you go.
canceled.
So I'm gonna trail my stop to my first target. Now we can't lose on this trade. If it continue to go up, we're gonna take profit on it going to the. We only got two contract left because it's
Order
struggling on
canceled.
this area right here. So that's why they wanna.
Um,
All right, so those two are runners. All right, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm gonna put another right, maybe right here. Maybe right here. I put another sell order.
Order
Oh, look at
submitted.
that! Oh, wait! How is it gonna get filled? We're breaking up. Come on, hit that target right here. Hit that target. And we look at the 3 minutes.
leave that move.
Man, come on.
What? This even make? Does this even move?
Mm, mm, mm. Come on, fill my order.
Now when I get out the trade, it wants to go in the right. It wants to go in the right direction. Yeah, now it wants to. We're gonna scalp this. Let's scalp this. It drops again.
Oh, about to get filled.
If it goes back up.
We about to get filled. Hold up, hold up.
Order.
All
Order
right,
canceled.
one is filled. We got one contract left. Let's trail it. Let's trail that one contract. Let's see how much we can. Let's see how much we can squeeze out of the market. Let's go.
Oh my
I get
gosh.
in now.
We need Warren Buffett to buy Apple, buy everything. Push it up.
Shoulder.
One contract left.
Let's
One
see.
contract
One
left. Let's
more.
let it go. Let's
One
let it
more
go. Let's
push
let it
down.
go.
One more push down. I can scalp this. Okay, I'm falling kind of low. So
Mm, 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 mm.
Stop filled.
All right, the last contract is stopped. Let's see how much we made on that trade. $92. I should have took it. Should have took it on. Oh wait, that's not bad though. Micro $92. That's not bad. 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 That's not bad.
How you think the market was today for you?
Actually, today was great. It was
ooh,
all the ideas I had played out.
ooh.
Only
I just know it's easier than yesterday.
yeah, today is definitely was easy today. Better movement today. But because of those last 2 days, well, this week, the last 3 days, they've been moving weird. So I started sizing down. So I didn't take it. I didn't take it in a big. I didn't take it in a mini. So those trades I took today, if I took them on big lots, I would have made. Yeah, I would be. That could have been a $900 day if I was trading it big lot. But of course, I had to keep the risk small because this is my funded account. I didn't want to risk the funded account with this market being choppy this whole week. Hey, but Apex $50 a green day, so I'm trading with Apex now. Five, you gotta get eight trading days to get a payout. Out of the 8 days, five gotta be $50 or more.
I'm up $10,000 right now.
What?
I'm just playing. 21,000. I was trading a whole bunch of money.
What? Joey Gordy is leveraging big size right now. He's pulling big numbers right now. How much you up? He's
21,000.
up 21,000, folks, and he only been trading for a week. Where do you get that at? He's up 21,000. He's only been trading for a week.
I got 30,000. Oh. Keep pushing, keep pushing.
Yeah, he passed Ashton. Ashton Hall said 10,000. He doubled that. Ashton said you gotta do at least 10,000. He said, well, Joey Gordy said I'm gonna double that. Now you gotta go run. We gotta go. Now you gotta go outside and run with the Pathfinder now. Let's see. Let's see. Let me see. I think I will be done for the day. I'm definitely not feeling keeping my risk. Let me see. If I trade more, if I take a scalp, well, you know what? Let me see. Let me see this. Let me see the structure. The 4 hours getting rejected. I don't like trading the next 4 hour. I like to trade the first 4 hour where it's getting rejected. If I trade more, I would have to trade a different account, and I don't want to trade. Oh yeah, we going down again.
Oh my god. I'm up. You can look at that.
What you
I don't know what that number is.
Is that 117,000? How many
Oh
numbers?
yeah, yeah. One. Oh yeah, yeah.
How many numbers before the comma? 3 numbers?
Yeah, three. That's
Oh my gosh! Joey Gordon is
because
up
I found a method.
100K.
I found a method to get a secure trade.
He's
But
up
like,
a
if
hundred.
I don't know how to consistently make the money, but like, if I see it do
Hey,
exactly what I wanted to do,
it's all practice. Hey, you
yeah.
never know. Because remember, when you trade with prop firm, they'll give you those big accounts. So the main thing is the skill. Once you have the skill, you can get funded with a prop firm, and you can make that same. Remember, if the psychology don't bother you, you just know how to trade. You don't look at the P&L. You don't look at the number. You can make that same trade on a prop firm account, and that's real money. You can actually withdraw that.
The short is dropping. Yes, $22 in a green right now.
They will give you that much money. I had to.
Yeah, this is the Apex Pay had two people withdraw $2 million,
Wow.
2.5 and 2.4 million.
Wow.
The thing is, it's all psychology. Like when you see that much profit, are you gonna hurry up and take the money, or it's all psychology? If you see it as a video game, like you just see a number on the screen, you can withdraw that money. But some people's psychology is not there because they get emotional. They see the money and then close the trade. And that's why the best thing to do is
How much did you start
and
with?
just be like a
Huh?
How
robot.
much did you start with?
I think like 1 million. Right.
Oh,
Yeah, that's how much. That's the default actually.
Yeah, when I was trading Webull with the paper account, I started with 1 million, and then in a year span I doubled it to 2 million.
Oh no, I started with 100 million.
wow.
I started with
Ah,
100 million.
okay,
Never
okay,
mind.
okay,
Never mind.
okay. So you bought a whole. How many shares you bought? You must have had a lot of shares.
That was on Tesla. I bought 100,000.
Oh yeah, you definitely gonna be big numbers with Tesla. Tesla move like futures sometimes.
And but the strategy I was doing, everything was in place. So I said, okay, because yeah, everything was right, and then I just did it.
Yeah.
And this short just stopped me out at $33 in the green.
Oh man. Let's see what we green on the day. Let's see if I can take we green on the day. No, the buyers are holding that bottom right here. I don't trust the long no more. Yeah, that 1 hour got rejected. I was gonna trade big lots with another account with the evaluation account, but I don't trust the long no more. That's a rejection candle right there on the 1 hour, and I was pushing down. So I would
Oh,
not.
but when you trade with the other borrower money, that means you have to. That's the one you have to consistently win and stuff to withdraw.
The evaluation.
Yeah.
No, the evaluation is they give you a profit target. Basically, like if you get a 20, like this one, a 25K account, profit target is 1,500. So once you make 1,500, you basically pass the evaluation. Then they put you to a funded account. Now, when you get to a funded account,
1,500 like ever.
no, 1,500 to pass it.
Yeah, but you have to make 1,500 in general, like, or just every month, or
No, just one. That's the profit target. Once
oh,
you make the 1,500, you pass it. You can pass it in one day.
and now it's like really your money.
Now they give you a funded account. Now, when you got the funded account, now you have to make you have to make 1,600 to get a payout.
Mm.
So, well, let's say the first day you make 1,600, right? You technically have enough to get a payout, but the rule is you have to get 8 trading days, so you have to show consistency. You have to show 8 trading days, and out of the 8 days, 5 days got to be $50 or more. So
Yeah.
so basically, every 8 days you can get a payout.
But you have to have 1,600 to get a
Yeah,
payout,
yeah. When you reach the 8 day, you gotta have 1,600.
even if you were green all 8 days. Like say you was green, but you didn't get 1,600. You can't get a payout.
No, everything gotta fit in that rule. So 5 days gotta be 50 or more. The other 3 days it don't matter. Even if you make $1, it don't matter. But after the 8 days, you gotta have 1,600. Then you can get a payout. Now let's say after the 8 days, let's say you make 500, and let's say you have 20,000 by the 8 day, by the 8 days, you can withdraw that. Yeah. So well, yeah, once you pass the evaluation, you get into a funding account. The funding account, you can get payout. Yeah. So that's a prop firm. Then when you get so many payout, they're gonna put you in a live account. A live account meaning you are actually your orders are hitting the market, meaning you're actually trading with the big people. Because the funded account is still sim. You're not. It's real, but you're not actually hitting the market.
Like
But
your
Apex is
mind
paying
doesn't
you.
affect nobody.
Hmm?
Your mind doesn't affect anybody.
No, Apex. You're trading on Apex platform, so they paying you.
Uh,
They're paying you for following the rules. But when you have a live account now, your orders are actually hitting the market now. So when you get paid, you actually get pulling money from the market, from the futures market. So, but funded account is still real money because you can get paid out of it. Ooh, no play here. I think I might be done for the day because I don't see no setup because I was gonna trade mini to see. But that's what I do. This week was kind of choppy. It was kind of weird, so I sized down. When I start getting back some momentum, my confidence coming back, then I'll go back trading big again. Especially with my funded account, that's the account I get payout out of. So I don't want to risk too much unless I see a perfect setup. So like right now, this account is how many days? I think I got four, four green days already. So I need like no, I think this day will make me 5 green days. So I need 3 more days to get a payout. And my other funded account, that one don't have that much drawdown. I had got stopped out there like I think on Monday. That one don't have that much drawdown. So I don't know if I'm gonna trade this one anytime soon, unless maybe a no no no, this one a tight one. But I have another a 50K has almost passed. I was gonna trade that one today, but I don't see no good opportunity. That's part of trading. You gotta manage you gotta manage your risk. You can't be greedy. You gotta be patient. Not every day is some days got to be base hit. So that's what I've been doing this week. I've been doing base hit since because if you look on the weekly candle, it's a red candle, but the buyers are pushing it back up. It can retest the bottom. It can go green. So it's kind of tricky week. So I sized down I just did base hit this week. Maybe next week, depending how next week look, maybe I'll do some bigger lots and all that good stuff. So if I can hit one of them $1,000 days. But as of right now, I don't see anything that I like.
I'm gonna
So I'm
try.
not gonna risk my live account for this.
Wait, so how much would one of those accounts give you when you borrow the evaluation?
Valuation.
Yeah, like the usual amount.
They got different size. They got 25K. So
Depend on your credit.
Hmm?
It depend on your credit. Like how
No,
how do you get a better account? Like what makes you better to get
you
a
just
better?
buy them. But like the 25K is like $29 a month until you pass it.
Oh, so that's what they be giving away on the stream?
Yeah, they be giving accounts. Yeah, sometimes they have sales. You buy the account. So let's say, okay, for example, let's say you buy a $29 account, 25K account. But sometimes they have sales. So it's $29 a month until you pass it. Once you pass it, there's no monthly payment no more. So now it's a funded account. Now the funded account, every 8 days, you can get a payout as long as you make $50 for 5 days, 5 green days, 50 or more, and then on after the 8 days, you pass 1,600, you can get a payout.
Wait,
Yeah.
when you first buy the account, whose money are you trading?
Oh, it's an evaluation. It's sim.
So it's fake?
Yeah, it's not. It's a sim account.
Oh, so it's not.
Yeah. The only thing is real is you paid for the sim account.
Oh, when you pass it, you start trading.
Yeah, when you pass it, you start trading a funded account. It's still sim, but you can get payout out of it.
Oh.
And then
Wait, so the more money you buy, like so let's say you bought a 25K account, it's gonna be harder to pass.
1,500, you got less drawdown. You got the profit target is 1,500. The drawdown is 1,500.
If you lose 1,500,
It's blown. So
it's
now,
1,500 for everything.
yeah, 1,500 to pass it, 1,500 to blow it. Now, if you want a bigger account now, you can get a 50K account.
And it's
50K account is 2,000 to pass it,
Oh,
$2,000 to blow it. Yeah,
it's futures.
yeah, futures.
You can do that with stocks now.
Yeah, I think there is a. They used to have. I think they have a company now that do that one do stocks. They used to have another one that used to do stock. They went out of business. Apart from usually go out of business if people getting too much payout.
If they do too good?
Yeah, because remember when you're in a sim account, they paying you,
Yeah.
and when you're in a live account, they're just taking 10% of your profit.
So you have a live account?
No, I have a funded account,
Let me see.
Apex.
How
Yeah,
many does?
I have two funded account, Apex. Live account, I don't really want a live. I mean, I had a live account. That's the one I had the big loss with the other company. That's the one you actually trade with the market.
Oh yeah. I mean, I was trying to see how much money you would need to do the trade that I did. You would need like 28 million.
Yeah.
Yeah. But if you did it with a smaller amount, it still wouldn't be that
Well,
bad.
futures, you get more leverage, less money.
Yeah.
See that money you made right there with 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 the stocks, you can make that same money with future with a 150K account.
Oh.
Yeah, futures get more leverage. Yeah, you can make that money with profit with futures. But you gotta be a good trader though. That's the thing. You gotta be a. I mean, I've seen it on Dakota did 100K payout on live.
Hey, so when you have a funded account, what money is that?
It's the profit money. Yeah, when they give you a funded account, it's their money. So every time I get a payout, Apex is paying me.
So you basically just trade with no risk.
Yeah. Well, the only thing you risk is the money you bought the account. Yeah, you're risking the account. Now, when they put you to the live account now,
You risk that.
That's your money?
but money you made in the market, because they're gonna put you in a live account with the money you made in the
Oh, in the fund.
yeah with the funded account. So let's
So
say
you can put your money in it though, right?
no prop firm, you don't put your money. You only buy the account. So let's say you bought a funded account, you bought a valuation, you got funded, and you're doing good in the funded account. You're making a lot of money. We're gonna take that money you made and put it in a live account. Yeah, that's what they did for me with that first company I was trading. The I had to make 15,000 to pass it. Once I made the 15,000, I made the 15,000 in the prop account. They I withdraw. How much did I withdraw? I withdraw 3,000. I don't think I withdraw 3,000, and they took the 10,000 and put it in a live account. But I made the money in the market. Then the next month I made 3,500. So I withdraw the 3,500. But all that money I made it in the market. So the money you make in the funded account, they're gonna move it to the live account. So you gotta prove yourself.
You withdraw 3,500 for yourself.
Huh?
You withdraw 3,500 for yourself.
Yeah. So you basically gotta prove yourself with prop firm. Now, if you wanna put money in a broker to trade futures, you can. Well, it's more risky. Prop firm prop firm. If you know how to trade, it's good to trade prop firm. So you're not risking your money. The money they're gonna put in live account is money you made with the prop firm. Yeah, right now it's choppy. It's not really going nowhere. It can go either way. It can go up. It can go down. It can go either way right now because we below the 200 in the 3 minute. Yeah, we bouncing on the yeah. It can go either way now. So that's why I'm not really gonna trade no more. I'll call it a day. At least I'm gonna have a green week. So I'm up $400 for the week.
But that's another annoying thing about trading too, because if like you could see the money you could have made if you just put more into it.
Yep. Yeah, like the trade I took today. If I traded big lots, I could
I
have
thought I was just practicing with all that money.
I could have
But
like
if I actually had
$800
that
a
much
day.
that had that much to start out with, I could have actually made that much.
Yeah, I could have had $800 a day if I was trading big size. But it's all managing emotion, decision. You gotta stick to the plan. Yeah. But we got some question. We got some question. Let's see.
You see how long ago it was?
How long ago was that? I wasn't looking at the chat. My bad. No, I'm gonna leave the chat on the side.
Let me see.
Yeah, the payout. Well, legendary. If you're still watching, the payout is as much you can make. There's no limit on the payout. There's no limit on the payout on a funded account. So if you have a 25K funded account, you just gotta hit 1,600 after 8 days, and then 5 of them days out of the 8 days gotta be $50 or more. So after every 8 days you can get a payout. That's on Apex, and then no matter there's no cap really. There's no cap on the funded account. So if you're a great trader, you can make 20,000 after 8 days. You can get payout. I think when you get a payout, they give you you have to leave a buffer. So they'll tell you. I know Top Step you only can withdraw 50%. So if you
But
make
he's still here.
so if you make 20,000, you can withdraw like I think 50% of that. So there's no cap. There's no cap on how much you can make on the funded account. I've seen traders who do big numbers, but it's all about the strategy. It's about the strategy, your psychology. Oh, okay, I see. You say in the 1,500. Yeah, If you make 1,600, no, I think the profit target is 1,600 for the 25K account. You got to make 1,600, then they will let you withdraw 500. They'll let you withdraw 500. Like my first payout with Apex was 500 because I had to. You have to leave a buffer to trade with. So the first payout when I reached 1,600, I withdraw 500. Then I traded for another 8 days. Then I grew the account, I think 2,000 something, and I was able to withdraw 1,500. But there's no cap. There's no cap how much you can make. No cap. Yeah, this week was choppy. Let's see what we're doing now. This week was choppy, but today was a great day. But I was sizing down. Oh, it's going up. Man, it's very today. See, today was a great day for the volatility. Look at that. A lot of movement today. A lot of movement today. Let me see. Should I take a long? Let me see. Ah, looks like a short though. As much as it's pushing up, let me see the 4 hour. Ah, no, I probably won't short it. Let me see. Can go higher. I could go higher, but missed the train. We would need a pullback to go long, and to short, we have to short the high of the day. Yeah, it can go either way. Because the structure of the 1 hour is still up, so that's not a good spot to short. Today was good action. Yeah, but that's it, guys. I think I'm gonna log off now because I got stuff to do. Um, I don't want to risk anything.
Mhm.
Let me see. It looks good, but it could go either way. It could continue to go up, or it can get rejected right here and go back down. And let me see what the stock market is doing. Nvidia is red. SMCI is red. Google is green. AMD is green. Apple is red. Oh, that's it. Tesla is green. So it's like mixed signal. So it can go either way. I like to stop trading by 10 o'clock. So, because I like to trade the first 4 hour.
But we live still. Oh,
So it could go either way. So, all right, guys. So this is it for today. See you guys. No, I don't know. Am I gonna? Are we gonna go stream live tomorrow?
no. Tomorrow Friday.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna go live tomorrow, but if I don't go live tomorrow, I'm gonna come back on Monday. But tomorrow I got some stuff to handle. So here you have it, guys. Have a good one, and Stay blessed. Control your risk.
Mhm.
Have a good one. Oh wait, how much? Wait, how much you was up today, Joey?
With the when I put a whole bunch of money,
Joey Gordy was up 100K.
117,000.
He was pushing big numbers. I had a green day. I mean, I had a green week. I had a green week, but just I think I only blew a funded not a funded account, evaluation account on
Yeah,
Monday.
that's what I said. I got that was my problem. Like, if I see a good trade, I could do it, but I just need to like be consistent, and be able to make money.
Yeah,
So that because I would not be able to keep doing that.
yeah. You just gotta control the risk and your emotion and stick with your plan. Some days you gotta get base hits. Like I've been getting base hit for the week because the week was choppy, but today was a great day. But I made my rules not to over leverage this week since the week was choppy. So that's why I took base hit and not pushing. Now you don't have to make big numbers all the time. As long as the account is growing, that's all matter. All right, guys. And with that said, what about you, Tyler? Still in the trade?
$16 in the green.
Oh, go to Tyler with $16 in the green. And them boys should have been trading for 1 week. Already getting that experience, getting that strategies in, trying different things.
I started my account at 5,000. I'm at 5,274.
Oh, so you 274 in the green. All right. That's all trading is. Everybody trade different styles. You gotta find out what works for you. So you gotta find your own styles. We can be looking at the same chart and we see different things. Like I could be looking at this, I see a long and then he see a short, but because of his strategy. So everybody have different strategy and there's no right way of trading. It's just you gotta find out what fits for you, what works for you. As long as you're profitable at the end of the week, at the end of the month, at the end of the year, that's all matter. There's no right way of trading. Yeah, see, we're still pushing up. Still pushing up. All right, guys. With that said, I'm gonna log out. See you guys on the next one. Peace.
No, I got the calculations for it.